What's up, everybody? So it is 3 in the morning. Was coming back from the gym. My lady wanted Dutch, so I was stopping at Dutch, and then car was overheating. Pulled out of there and tried to make it home, maybe get some air up here in the grill, but did not work. So still overheating, so I parked it right here. I got my ride coming, so I'm just gonna park the car over there, air that hoe out, and then I'll come back in like 3 hours and try to fix it. So what I think it is I'm gonna put the blame on the thermostat right here. I think I changed it to a 180, but I don't know if that is if that's what it is. That's what I think it is. So I'm gonna come back in like 2-3 hours. Hopefully I still had my 200-degree one, and then I'm gonna swap it out and see if that helps. But I'm putting the blame on that at the moment. I topped off my coolant maybe like a month ago because it was kind of low, so I topped it off, you know what I'm saying? So new coolant, everything, so everything works. So like I said, I'm putting the blame on that because I have seen some guys have issues with the thermostat. So main dude I saw was Who is Louie had a 180 as well, maybe a 160 from Mishimoto, and boom, same problem. So like I said, I don't know if it's the problem, but if it is, like I said, guys, I'll let you guys know, keep you guys updated for anything further. But for right now, I'm sitting and waiting, guys. Okay, guys, so we're in the car. I'm gonna leave the little thing on because so as you can see, coolant temp is 240. Right there was on red, and then it gave me a notification that it was overheating. I was at Dutch Bros getting some Dutch, and then luckily there was no one behind me, and I reversed out like a G, no problems, reversed out. And then I was like, you know what, I tried to figure maybe there was a leak or something. There was no leak. So like I said, I'm blaming it on the thermostat. It was at 240. As you know, overheating is not a good thing. Like I said, my coolant is topped up, everything is good. It was as high as 257. I thought that I can get out of the Dutch and just head, keep going home. As you can see, I was, and get some air in the engine and cool it down a little bit. But it's not what I think it is. Let me just turn this off. You guys already seen that. So like I said, guys, what I think it is, I just think the coolant is not being able to travel all the way from the thermostat that I changed to the 180. So I'm blaming it on that. Hopefully I have one at home. And like I said, right now it's 3 in the morning, and hopefully I can get it fixed within 2-3 hours. And yeah, guys, so I can, I gotta go to work tomorrow, so I need the vehicle. So luckily your boy knows what he's doing, damn near, and hopefully I can get it fixed without no issue. If not, luckily AutoZone opens at 7. I can get this done, but as of right now, guys, I am stuck. All right, guys, so I just had the police pulled up right here, right behind me, and they were just checking in on me, making sure everything was good, told them what was going on, and they just told me that thankfully I'm on the side of the road, and that's all, making sure I'm good, and they went on with their day, but yeah, guys, just keeping you guys updated, man. And I mean, for being technically broken right now, she be looking good though, huh? Yeah, she be looking good. But yeah, guys, like I said, my girl's coming from that direction, coming down this way. I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna park like right over there, and I am going to air it out, so no one steals it. And I'm gonna see if I can get her to drive it. I'm gonna put it on neutral from I'll show you guys. Let me just show you guys while I'm at it. I'll put it on neutral. I'm not gonna turn the car, but I am going to remove this piece. It's a little latch. Might as well show you because I gotta do it anyway. Come on, man. All right, let's take this off. Let me see if I can get this latch real quick before she comes. I wish I had my pry tools in the trunk, but I do not. Can't see anything. I don't know. I'm gonna take it off and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, there she go right there. Here's my ride. So I'll keep you guys situated. Oh, and I got it off. So I'm gonna pull that little lever. That's a dime. We'll pull that little lever right there and go on neutral, and then I'm gonna... All right guys, so there she go right there. She just parked. I'm gonna have her get in here. I'm gonna put it on neutral. She's gonna be driving, and I'm gonna be pushing it, and hopefully we can make it to where she's at right now, and then I'll come back later and try to fix it. All right guys, so I parked it right here. There's my girl right there, and I just parked it manual neutral. God damn, can't talk. But yeah guys, I'm finna go home, come back in like 3 hours, see if I can fix it. But yeah guys, I'm out for the time being. Time to go home. Yo, all right, so I went ahead and I got like every tool imaginable, you know, to take over there, because I do not want to be making 2 trips. I got everything. I don't care. I got everything. I'm gonna blow all this up. I'm also gonna take that box over there and then grab all this stuff. I'm gonna put it in my girl's car, and then after that we're gonna head over there. I'm gonna fix it, and then we'll see what's up. All right guys, we're here. We are here. See if we can get this done quick so I can go home and go to sleep. Motherfucker look clean though, bro. Oh, it's so clean, man. Clean. All right guys, so we're back in here. So I need to get that situated, because it tells me this weird thing on here, something about service transmission, and then like something doesn't really work when I push start. It starts, but then it cuts off. So I need to figure that out, and then I need to go and do that stuff over there. So I'm not really gonna bore you guys too much, because you know I just need to get that done. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix this first. See if I can. No, I'm not even gonna turn on the car until I fix that, and then I'll turn on the car. But yeah, I need to fix this also, guys. All right guys, so we're here. Like I said, we're about to start. I'm not gonna lie, this motherfucker is still hot. And then I got all the tools right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix it, but like it's still hot. So let's see if I can get it done. Okay fellas, so I got this set up. Everything's going good so far. All right, I unbolted it, got the liquid down there. Hopefully it's not hot enough. I hope this bag doesn't like melt or something and let all that hot ass, cursing a lot, man, a lot of hot liquid, like, you know, pierce through the bag and make a mess. I doubt it, because it's not dripping. But anyways, all right, we got that. And I'm about to check it. So far I don't see a problem with it, but I'm gonna check a little bit in depth right now when I take it out and see what's up. I don't think it's anything else, because that's still good. Nothing was leaking, so I doubt anything is that. I just feel like that is not passing through that, going through here, so that's the problem. So I'm gonna replace that with the one I got in the car from the one I replaced, the OEM one, and then hopefully that fixes it. I'm gonna let the car run, and yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, guys. Okay guys, here it is right here. So it looks fine. I don't see what the problem could be. There's a little mouth right there, and everything looks the way it should. I don't see a problem, but I'm gonna replace it. Hopefully that's it. That way I can get the hell out of here. But I'm gonna go ahead and change it out, guys. All right guys, so bad news. The bag got caught and it spilled all over the place. I heard getting coolant on your stuff is not good at all. Let's see how this goes. Luckily I was prepared, and your boy got the extra coolant, you feel me? So we good on that. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and replace it, clean up, and then see if it doesn't overheat. Okay guys, so we're in at 203 right now. It's been on for, I'm gonna say, like 4 minutes, almost 5. It says at 203. This is a 200 temp thermostat, or degree thermostat, so this is where it's optimal. Not yet. It actually goes as high as 220. As long as it doesn't pass that line, I'm solid. As of right now, it's doing pretty good, going up gradually, nothing too concerning at the moment. This one usually stays at like 220, but like I said, as long as it doesn't pass that, I will be good. So I still gotta check it out, see what's up. because I cannot go and change the thermostat anymore. Even if I went to AutoZone and get a piece, I can't, because it's gonna be too hot. So I'm gonna be stuck in this parking lot for like another few hours, and I go to work. You know, I'm supposed to be at home, about to go to bed, but I'm out over here fixing it. But yeah, see, like right now it hasn't even went up that much. See, look at that. So I think it's working, honestly. Like I said, I'm gonna give it 3 minutes. If it doesn't go up higher than that, then we're good, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the car home. Hey fellas, so it is, I think it's good. I think it was just a thermostat. I am basically done. It didn't really pass like 206, I guess. So I think it's good. I think it was just a thermostat. So now I'm gonna go take, I'm gonna go take this car, so that way someone can follow me back, and I'm gonna go ahead and then drive this home. Unfortunate, because I legit came from the car wash and the car had to sit out here for a fat minute. So I know it's not a big deal, but besides stranded, clean as fuck, and it got stuck out here. So, and then we got construction guys working back over there, making a whole bunch of dust, and I just cleaned my car. So I'm gonna see it, go home, get that, put all the tools away, and yeah, we're gonna go from there, guys. Okay guys, so we are on the way home. Got my nephew up front. Thank you for that, man. Here's the temp right here. It's still 197. I got a check engine light. I do not know what the check engine light is like on. There's nothing new that pops up that wasn't there before. This light, you know what I'm saying? So the only thing is my service, my suspension, but I got my airlift, so it pops up all the time and there's no light. So hopefully it goes away after a little bit of driving. That cannot pass. Well, cannot go past half, so it cannot pass like 220. I have to watch that. Hopefully I am good to go, because like I said, I gotta go to work. But yeah guys, let's see how this goes, guys. All right guys, so we are still at 204. We are on our way home. I don't think I'm gonna have a problem anymore, honestly. Check engine light is still on. I don't know when it'll come off, if it'll go off after a little bit. I do not know. From now on though, I will be running the stock 200 thermostat when it is summertime here where I live, and once it hits about September, October, once the temps go down under consistently under 100, I'm gonna go ahead and slap in the 180 degree thermostat. It's not really that expensive. It's like what, 20 bucks. So I'm gonna give me another one. Like I said, this one's good. I'm gonna give me another 180, and I'm gonna put it on there in one time. But as of right now guys, that'll be the end of the video. Car is working up again. Took me basically like 5 hours in waiting time, so not a bad fix and replacement to get the car running again. Hopefully I didn't cause no damage, because I did drive it a bit overheating. Not gonna lie, like this mug was like, it went as high as like 258. So hopefully I don't have no damage, but like I said, I don't know, or no warping, no any type of problem. So hopefully I don't. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.